Hey everybody, Free Spin Wizard here. And for those that follow my channel on a regular basis, I'm sure you realize by now my channel's content is mainly slot play and other casino related matters. But when I go a little off the beaten track, I like to take you along with me. In this episode, I'm showing you Hot Springs Resort and Spa in Hot Springs, North Carolina. We visit here often because it's such a soothing and relaxing thing to do. And we're going to show you around a little bit as we check in, go through the gift shop, and enjoy a good soak. Follow along. Okay, so here is the gift shop. It's right when you walk in the front door, when you check in for your appointment. An hour soak in one of their jetted hot tubs with mineral water is only $50 for two people for a whole hour. So it's really a good deal. So we're just kind of looking around their little gift shop. They got some cool stuff in there. So either when you first walk in or probably better when you're leaving, stop in there and check out what they have. You might find something you want to take home with you. Now, right before you walk out, you're going to see a lot of historical photos and newspaper articles of the general area of Hot Springs. Kind of gives you a historical context of where the Hot Springs came from or where the town came from. So if you have a couple of minutes, I encourage you to take a look at those, especially if you're a local historical nut. You'll probably find some things that are pretty interesting about this area of the country. Now we're heading out to go walk across the yard there and turn in our tickets so that the attendant can lead us to our assigned hot tub. Okay, so having checked in with the attendant there, she's going to lead us down to hot tub number 12, and she's going to get us all set up. And then we're going to enjoy an hour of soaking in a jetted hot tub with mineral water. It's very soothing and relaxing. Have aches and pains, it works wonders on things like that. So I'll show you in just a second what those tubs actually look like as soon as we get down there and she gets things all working for us.
Well, it's good, I guess.
Okay, we're inside. You see it's covered, so you're not in direct sunlight. It's right by a river where I suspect, I don't know, I probably should have looked this up, but I believe that's where the mineral water comes from. So it's very soothing, and in many respects you could hear the water flowing while you're sitting there. So the ambiance makes it even more relaxing. I'm going to turn around here in just a second, and you're going to see kind of what the tub looks like. So you can accommodate quite a few people in there. It's usually for us, just me and my wife, but it's very relaxing.
Yeah, we do. I'm positive.
So after our hour was up, we head back, and you could go back through the gift shop if you want, or you could just follow this trail and it leads you right back to where your car was parked. So it's a very fun experience. I know this was very brief, but it kind of gives you an idea of what the place looks like. It's a little rustic if you like that sort of thing. It's great. There's tables there too if you wanted to sit there and have a little picnic. They wouldn't mind, I'm sure. But you can bring your own beverages to sip while you're in the hot tub, or snacks if you wanted a little something to snack on. And alcoholic beverages, you can bring those too. They don't really care. But whatever makes you happy while you're sitting in there, they're all for that. And when you're done, somebody knocks on the door and tells you your time's up, so you don't have to mark the time yourself. And they give you a little bit of time to, change your clothes and all that kind of stuff. And it's fun. It really is. So if you're in Western North Carolina, in the Hot Springs, North Carolina area, I encourage you to check this place out. It's really fun, very relaxing, and I think you'll enjoy it. If you enjoyed this video, I hope that you will check out one of my playlists that deals with things to do in the Western North Carolina and Asheville area. Just go to my YouTube channel and look at my playlist, and you'll see a playlist devoted all to this sort of thing, Western North Carolina and things to do in the area of Western North Carolina. And while you're at it, please subscribe. I really appreciate it. It'll help my channel grow. And I hope to see you again real soon.